unique, especially in classics. 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. This particular car powered by a 272 V8 underneath the hood. Original paint codes, according to the door tag on this one, Sea Sprite green and snowshoe white. So as you can see, very similar to the way this car would have been produced by Ford back in 1955. Has underwent a restoration as far as paint. Interior, let's take a look at the front. Chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. As you can see, it shows very nicely on this car. Nice shiny chrome. Don't really see any pitting in the bright work up here. Grille looks good. And paint shows well on it also, and as you can see, the bright work down the sides. Also in good condition. Chrome hood ornament. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side at that bright work. Look at how nice it lines up. Look at those door gaps. Interior would have the vinyl bench seat and also an M trim coat, so it would have been white and medium turquoise. So it has been reupholstered, obviously, and again restored. There you can see an AC unit underneath the dash. It does have a more modern AC compressor on it. AC unit does blow cold, so AC is cold. Also has a power seat. We're going to see when we get around to the driver's side. Power seat works. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the rear of this. Dual exhaust coming off that 272, and again you can see the chrome. Nice shine to it, bright work. Does not really show any pitting at all that you can see. This one will definitely turn some heads. Don't be afraid to take this to any of your local shows, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. And again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, interior, engine bay at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Nice looking wheel cover on this car too. The wide white wall radials. Those are not bias tires, FYI. And then again, take a look at the bright work down the driver's side of that car. Check out those door gaps, how that door fits very nicely. And then of course, the polished Crown Victoria touch on there. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Door panels. Now, something else I want to show you on this one. I mentioned power seat. So we have power seat switch right here, and it does work. This also has power windows. Now, you won't guess by looking because you see this handle. But as far as that handle, that is where the power windows. Let's click the key on here a second. And you can see power window will raise up with just raising the handle. You do not need to crank and push it down. Window's going to go down. So power windows also, letting you know that so you don't get in it. Turn that handle hard if you purchase this vehicle, and show you a nice feature on it. As far as the headliner, looking good there also. And you'll be able to see better pictures of the rear seat in the still pictures. Something else I wanted to show you with the turn of the key. I do have the radio on. This is going to take a little bit to warm up. Look at that. The original AM radio is working in this one. Get her kind of dialed in a little bit better. We're indoors, a little bit of static, but hey, it's also an old radio. So the radio is working. AC blows cold. Power windows, power seats, both working. Let's fire it up, so you can hear it run. There is an aftermarket temp gauge down underneath the dash too, FYI. Wipers are still vacuum. They did a swipe for me, but as you know, you have to build up vacuum, but it works a lot better going down the road. Take a look at that dash. Still looks very stock, and again, even with a working radio. One last look at the seats. All right, let's slip around to the back. See it run, no crazy exhaust, no big cam, anything like that. Just a nice sounding Crown Vic. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front of this car. Let's pause this a second. I want you to be able to check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And as you would guess, nice stock looking engine bay. It's a 272 V8. Finished up nicely. You don't have to be afraid to have the hood open at a car show with this one. And then there's that more modern AC compressor, and as you can see, has been converted, not running the old R12 anymore. Looking for a nice 55. Here you go, 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call, enter, email,